Don't buy an old house. Actually, you should buy an old house. I'm Michiel Perry, founder of Black Southern Belle, and this is my handmade home. My home is eclectic. We found the house when, out of pure cabin fever, we decided to look at a few historic homes and actually fell in love with all of them. So much of what I showcase that people love the most is not even my most design perfect things. It's like what reminds them of home, of their grandma's house, of their mom's house, of their aunt's house. I have a lot of traditional things. I have like Queen Anne furniture, but I don't like a house where you can't sit on stuff or don't feel like you want to sit on stuff. I'd like things to be comfy.
I love my office because it makes me feel so happy. It is the room where I don't have to follow any rules and I don't have to incorporate any of my husband's wants or desires. I have pink curtains, hundreds of pieces of art, and plenty of bright light and plenty of inspiration to write for my blog.
It has probably the most gallery walls of any room in the house, which I love. I have a gallery wall dedicated to my wedding, gallery wall dedicated to my mom, one of just Black Southern Belle and my career stuff. And then I have a wall with Jonathan Green Art, who's a local South Carolina artist.
I love Jonathan Green Art because it's everything that I think of the Lowcountry. Beautiful landscapes, beautiful Gullah culture, and lots of color.
I want the art to be seen and touched. Pretty lucky. Even though it's a small town, we have a lot of art. Sometimes I'll just make something, I was bored and I just like the fabric and I cut it and put it in the picture frame. I don't follow any rules. I just do what I like. It's my house. That's what I tell everyone. I'm like, do what you like. It's your house. I actually get mad at my holiday party because no one wants to use the stuff I set it with. I love dining rooms. I believe in formal dining rooms. I don't care what other people say. And when you have a lot of people over, it's nice to have two sets of places to sit. You have big families. The circle chairs, the French chairs that everyone has in the white, I wanted them in green and black. I also have a lot of my church art collection in the dining room. But I have some folk art mixed in there, and it's kind of got a pink and green theme, and it has the Peanut Man, which is a legend in downtown Charleston. Boiled peanuts are king in life in the South, so he's the official Peanut Man. I start with napkin rings for setting the design. I literally might have 300, 400 napkin ring holders. I have Christmas ones, I have bows, I have chinoiserie, I have outdoor ones, I have a pelican set. I literally never thought I was going to use them, and I've used them multiple times. Oh, I also have a bumblebee set that I was trying to do a photo shoot inspired by Bee-yonce and the beehive, so I bought this. I also have a bar card obsession. I don't know how many bar cards. I'm not going to even admit how many bar cards I have. I love this living room. It's very cozy. My husband actually took an African American sports history class when he was in college, and he started collecting black jockey art because the first jockeys in the Kentucky Derby were African Americans. I don't think I ever planned on having a house with a library room, but this house had one. It's in a very royal purple. I love that room. It has the built-in walls. We have a little drink area. My husband was a 10-time All-American track athlete in college, so we have all his awards and all of his recognitions there. We both worked in politics. My husband met in DC, so I actually have a collection of pictures of the first Black congressman during the Reconstruction era.
Thanks for watching.